Hello guys and welcome to Monkeys Got Talent.
Can we get over there?
Where?
Like over there again?
No. Where the show where monkeys are trying to show their talent and whoever wins is just better than everyone. Let's go.
That's just simply how it is here.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, first we have Spider. What's your talent? Oh, yo, okay. You made that a 6 right there. Actually, no, I'll give it a 7 because the first one was cool. Okay, get off the podium. You're in first.
Hey, what about? Hey, I'm next.
Okay, Fitz. I know, Samurai Chef. Okay, let's go.
Hello. My name is Samurai Chef, and I can do this. I bumped into this. Let me go. Hold on, I bumped into something. Let me go the other way.
What the? That's a 9. That's a 9 right there.
I kind of died.
9.
But
That's a 9.
yeah.
9. Give it up for Samurai
Nice.
Chef.
I got a 9.
Clap for Samurai Chef.
Even though I could have done anything else, I decided to do that.
It's time for you. What's your name?
Men, that's his name.
Okay. What's your talent?
Okay.
Oh, Monkeys Got Talent.
So you might like a boot bag right there, and I'm gonna do back.
Oh, you want me to stand right here?
I mean, you can
Let's
Okay.
got some magic tricks right here. Let's go.
do a trust fall.
Oh, you want me to do a trust fall?
Do a trust fall. That's. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah. He kind of died. What'd you do? He trusted you, and you died, and he died. What did you?
Rest in peace, my brother. Yo.
Yo, is he good?
Okay,
think
9
he
out of
died.
10.
Oh, he's
That was
good.
nice. Okay. Last one,
Yeah.
Fitz.
And
I'm here to tell you that I am not a king. I am not a god. I am a statue.
Okay, that's a 9. Alright, we have 3 winners.
Me.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
let's do
Come on the
round two.
podium. You better have something sick,
do-
dude.
After this, we do a round 2.
My thing's gonna run out of battery, so I can still charge it though. While I play.
That's my headset.
Okay, guys. Does anyone here have no clip VR?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
What if all of us play no clip?
Okay,
I don't
sure.
have that.
Ah, dang it. Whoever has no clip, y'all can be a part and do a video.
No, I got a special talent.
Okay, I need one person to help me get 10 subscribers today.
Me.
Yeah?
Me.
One person has to help. One person has to go into every server today. Every server that they go in, they have to say, can you subscribe to Bear Reality on YouTube, okay?
Wait,
Can y'all do that for me? Bear Reality. Mm-hmm.
We play a game of hide and seek first.
Can y'all do that for me?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank y'all. Just do it every time you join. Alright, we're gonna play hide and go seek one last time. Y'all ready?
Who's counting?
You know what? I'll be there. Okay, guys, since y'all, no, I'm counting.
Shouldn't the lava monkey be it?
Nah, I'm gonna be it. I wanna be it though.
No, I'm it.
Alright, bet. Alright, guys. To make it harder, it's only in city, so you gotta find a good. Count to 60.
2,
Oh,
3,
shut up.
4,
Oh, he got this.
6,
Dude,
7,
done.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Bye, my brother.
16, 17,
Rest in oh, shit.
18,
Rest in peace, my brother. My brother.
21, 22,
Me and this kid have the best hiding spot ever.
25, 26, 27,
My God.
28.
Okay, just go now.
29. Alright, you guys have better hit what? Bruh.
Shh.
Well, might as well. Sorry. Bro, I got absolutely discombobulated. Like, that's actually crazy. I wonder if anybody hid in competitive. Hello? Is anybody hidden here?
Oh?
Sure,
City.
hidden here. Is anybody absolutely sure that nobody? Nobody. Surprising. Well, I'm too late. So, if anybody is,
Oh no, I see you. Please.
if anybody is there, well, I think I know who they might be. Hello. What the? They seem pretty sneaky. Pretty sneaky. Wait, that door's open. Or maybe they're hiding in here this entire time.
Bro, we had the best hiding spot, dude. Bro, like 5 people went past us. We did
Legit
so good.
5 people.
Okay, y'all.
I couldn't find it.
Y'all, I gotta go, but can y'all go into servers right now
Wait, can you add
and
me?
tell
Add
people
me,
to
add me.
how to? Oh, on Oculus.
Yeah.
Now, guys, who wants to stay in this server and play some more hide and seek?
Bro.
Okay. Hey, but y'all, after that, every server that y'all go into, can y'all say subscribe to Bear Reality?
Yeah, can you add me?
Sure.
Hey, who wants to play hide and seek?
I
in
can't really
mountains?
I can. I don't think I can friend because my friend thing hasn't been working lately. But we can shake hands.
Is there a ghost?
Hey, shake hands.
Wait, is there a ghost in here?
Oh, hi, Spider. Okay, y'all, tell every single server that you go into to subscribe to Bear Reality. And we'll see how much I gain. Bye, y'all.
Bye.